These websites can improve your content creation. Are you tired of searching for high-quality photos and videos but don't want to pay for expensive stock websites? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share the best free stock photo and video sites you can use for YouTube videos, social media, blogs, or any project, completely free and without copyright issues. Let's get started. First on the list is Pexels.com. This is one of the most popular free stock platforms. It offers thousands of professional photos and videos in every category you can think of. The best part? Everything is completely free, and you don't need to give credit. It's perfect for YouTube, websites, and even business projects. Next is Pixabay.com. This site is like a treasure chest. You'll find not only free photos and videos, but also illustrations, music, and even sound effects. With over 2 million assets, it's one of the largest free libraries out there. And yes, everything is royalty-free for personal and commercial use. At number 3, we have Unsplash.com. If you want high-resolution, artsy, and modern-looking photos, this is the place. Unsplash is great for designers, bloggers, and anyone who wants beautiful visuals without paying a dime. You'll see a lot of Unsplash photos being used on websites and social media because they just look so professional. Number 4 is Vidivo.net. Unlike the others, Vidivo focuses more on videos. You'll find stock footage, motion graphics, and even sound effects here. Some content does require attribution, but most are free to use for personal and commercial projects. If you need free video clips for your edits or YouTube intros, Vidivo is an excellent choice. At number 5, we have Cover.co. Cover gives you beautiful free stock videos that you can use without signing up. Many of the clips look cinematic and professional, making them perfect for websites, ads, and background visuals in your videos. Next is Mixkit.co. This site is amazing because it offers not just stock videos, but also music and sound effects for free. The videos are high quality, and you can download them instantly without an account. No attribution is needed, so you can use them freely in YouTube videos, projects, or even marketing content. And finally, number 7 is Stocksnap.io. Stocksnap offers a huge collection of stunning high-resolution photos. They keep updating their library with new images every single week, so you'll always find fresh content. Everything here is free to use under the Creative Commons license, meaning no worries about copyright. And that's it. These are the best free stock photo and video sites you can start using today to make your content stand out without spending any money. I'll leave the links to all of them in the description below, so you can check them out directly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech and creator tips, and share it with a friend who might need free resources too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.